Alright, here's the Plymouth again. The carb had sucked up some junk, so I cleaned it out again. I still have this mess. I'm hoping one of you guys can help me in the forum. You can probably hear it. Now I do have an exhaust leak. It still has a smooth idle. If I play with the adjustment needles on the carburetor, it dies out. You have to have it run pretty rich to have a sustained idle like this. I have all the vacuum lines capped off, except for the timing advance used from my new distributor. Still has good throttle response. Just got a crazy misfire. No rhyme or reason to it. I tried spraying carburetor cleaner around the outside of the intake. I mean, I can't get underneath of it. I might have a manifold leak. Just looking for some insight here. I'm gonna shut the hood. Yeah, new carburetor gasket too. Carburetor to manifold gasket. This is the old one. I have fresh fuel going into it. Completely bypassed the fuel tank. Kind of hoping to have it on the road this summer. My neighbor that gave it to me, I would really love for him to be able to drive it one more time, since he's the original owner. He bought it new and he gave it to me, and I got it up to this point. I'm just trying to track down the air leak. Still idles decently, but every once in a while it pops. I don't know if you guys see anything out of the ordinary. New module, spark module, new ballast resistor, and a new voltage regulator. So the old regulator puked all over the firewall. This hose goes to the canister. Goes to the charcoal canister. This wire was always kind of chilling here. I didn't move it from where it was. It's always been right here. But it is a blue wire. She wants to go so bad. It does drive around. I can drive it. It's just has the misfire. And, you know, it gets worse under acceleration. I think it's fuel starvation at this point. I'm going to be ordering a new brake booster soon too. It's really where we're at. So, if anybody can help me, Much appreciated. Thanks.